Alright, so I am Jonathan Fry, and this is my Arduino Morse code project. We have a LED here, a resistor here, and then the cables and whatnot. This cable is ground. This cable is hot, specifically in port 2. This is a 330 ohm resistor running to the LED. Once we get this thing plugged in a moment, it will blink my first and middle name in Morse code. But first, here is the code, and we'll scroll through that real quick. Has to see it just a little bit. So yeah, let's get this thing plugged up, and then we'll fire it up. Alright, so hit the reset. That's the J. That's the O. N. A. T. H. A. N. A. N. D. R. E. W. And just so you know, my first and middle name are Jonathan Andrew.